Hey, what's up guys? If you want the Face ID work on your Redmi Note 4 device, then you are at the right place. To enable Face ID, you must have an unlocked bootloader and also a recovery installed in your device. So let's get started with the tutorial. To get the Face ID work in your device, you actually have to flash a zip file whose download link is given in the description below. So now to boot into recovery mode, head on directly to the updater app on your device. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Reboot into recovery mode. Then click on Reboot. Your device will now boot into recovery mode. In the recovery mode, click on Install, then go to locate the downloaded file and click on it. Then swipe right to install the zip file. Once the zip file is installed, click on Reboot System. Your device will now automatically boot into your system. After that, head on to settings, scroll down and click on lock screen and password. Then click on add face data. Click next and finally add your face data to it. So now you can unlock your phone easily with your face. Do check this channel for awesome gaming content.